Hey, what's going on, guys? Here at you with another video. In this video today, I'm going to teach you how to install a handicap sign. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned and watch the entire video so you're able to see the step by step. It's not too complicated. I'm sure you can do it. Okay, good luck, guys, and I hope the video helps you out. Okay, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you're able to get notified whenever we upload more videos. Again, we're Newtown Construction, and we're a handyman services company here in Colorado. We actually work on residential homes and commercial. So if you're a homeowner or handyman that needs help with learning new things or how to fix a certain problem, make sure you scroll through our videos and take a look at what else we have that can benefit you and the people around you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the video.
All right. Yes. All right, so now you're gonna get your screws in, right? And tighten that up really nicely. And you have your handicap spot.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So did that video help? I hope it did. I hope it gave you a visual. I hope it gave you a way to say, all right, you know what, I can do this. So if it did, please hit that thumbs button. That way YouTube knows that people will benefit from this video. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Continue to scroll through our other videos, find out and see if there's anything else that you need to learn how to fix in our channel. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.